Hey guys, welcome back to doing one Math UIL question every single day. Today is day 17 and we are looking at a cosine, sine, tangent transformation type of questions. So give you the value of cosine of an angle theta and then give you the value of tangent of angle alpha and ask you about the value of sine theta plus alpha. So for this type of question, we want to know what we want to get. So it asks you about sine theta plus alpha. Remember, how do you transform these type of equations? Sine an angle plus another angle will be sine one of the angles times cosine of the other angle plus sine of the other angle times the cosine of the first angle. So now we know that what we need to get, so we need to actually find it. We are given that cosine theta equals 13 over 12. So we know the hypotenuse 13 on one side is 12, so the other side will be 5. These are really small numbers that I need to be familiar with to do stuff faster. I just memorize it, but you can also calculate it by like squaring this and minus the square this, but you'll lose a lot of time. So we know that our side is 5, so the sine theta will be 5, right? Over 13, because that's your other side, and that's your hypotenuse. It's in quadrant 4, which means that sine will be negative, so we need to put a negative sign. And now we know tangent alpha is negative 7 over 24. So to find cosine, right, let's try to find cosine alpha. So tangent is y over x. The hypotenuse will be 7 squared plus 24 squared, and the square root of that will be 25. So cosine will be x over hypotenuse will be 24 over 25. And it is in quadrant 2, so cosine will be negative. And the sine of it will be the other side, which is 7 over 25. And it is positive in quadrant 2, so we don't need to put any signs. And now we just need to compute the actual value. So sine theta, which is negative 5 over 13, times cosine alpha, negative 24 over 25, plus sine alpha, which is 7 over 25, and then times cosine theta, which should be 12 over 13. You can just plug in a calculator. So it will be 5 times 25 plus 24 times 13 plus